Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Asana for editorial calendars and tasks step by step clearly. Visit the Asana website at www.asana.com. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and click Get Started. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Asana. Open the email and click the Confirm Your Email link provided. This will redirect you back to the Asana registration page. Now, create a password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Fill in your name and any other required information on the registration form. Choose your preferred workspace or project if prompted. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button. You may be given the option to set up a profile picture. If desired, upload a photo or skip this step for now. Once your account is created, you will land on the Asana dashboard. To start working on your editorial calendar, create a new project. Click on the Projects section in the sidebar. Select the option to Create New Project. Choose a blank project or select a template that suits your needs. Give your project a descriptive title related to your editorial calendar. Add any additional details, such as descriptions or start dates. Now, you can start adding tasks to your project. Click on the Add Task button. Enter task details like the title, due date, and assignee. Organize tasks into sections if needed. Once you've added all tasks, make sure to set up recurring tasks for regular activities. Explore additional features such as Calendar View for visual planning. Use the collaboration tools to invite team members to your project. Set notifications to stay updated on task progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.